Hello to everyone. It's still hot here. It's very hot. It's not unbearable, but it's hot. So, I devised a meal, and I'll be doing 31 meals. Well, actually, it'll be 62 by the time I'm done. Tonight is Sloppy Joe's fries and vegetables, tea, and cookies. But I want to show you guys what I bought, what food I use. I think that's helpful. Okay, it's just for me, so I have found that this turkey burger, I get it 12 ounces for $1.99 from 99-cent only, is really good. So you want to find some reasonable turkey or hamburger so that you can make some. So okay, for the onions, I just use my dry onions. So then I season my meat with garlic salt, black pepper, and crushed red pepper. And you might be thinking, that's how you always season your meat. Yeah, that's true. Okay, now if you notice this, the ketchup is 1 cup for 2 pounds. So what I did is I just added a half cup, and so once you get the ketchup right in this recipe, you're pretty good. Mustard and Worcestershire sauce, and I buy those for $1. Vinegar and sugar, and then I just use sugar in my sugar bowl, salt and pepper, and then I made fries. I use my Dollar Tree oil for the fries. But I had some olive oil, and I fried my turkey burger in olive oil. So that was my Sloppy Joe meat. And so what's good is it's everything in the stockpile, and you don't need a can or a package anymore once you get this recipe to make Sloppy Joes. You just get your Sloppy Joe recipe, and you make Sloppy Joe meat. I'll show you. Okay, here it is. Just to let you know, this stuff is good. I like it better. And so when I made my Sloppy Joe mix, I noticed there was a little too much oil, so I just blotted it. That's disgusting, but it'd be more disgusting to eat it. I blotted it with some napkins. I bought the hamburger buns at 99-cent only, and I bought the potatoes at 99-cent only, and let's see. And then this is the oil I fried the French fries in. So okay, so now it's time to make food. Oh. So I want to make. I was going to make a vegetable, and I thought, no, you don't really need a vegetable. You can just eat some ketchup on your fries. Because what I did was I made a lot of fries. Okay, so I toasted my bun, my Sloppy Joe bun. You don't have to. Sometimes it tastes good. Okay, this is really a good thing to know for Halloween. This is a great meal. In fact, quite a few years on YouTube, I think I made Sloppy Joes for Halloween. Usually, a lot of times I make it with tater tots. But tonight, Okay, so this doesn't cost much. This is enough food. And here's my homemade fries. I just took fries. You know, anymore when you eat fries out, they're expensive, and it's the craziest thing because, you know, I bought 3 pounds of potatoes for you know, $1. And then I bought one of those dollar packages of sugar cookies so that I can have some cookies with my tea. Let's see, are they visible? And then I made black tea to eat with my cookies. So my turkey burger was $1, and it's made enough for 2 large or 3 or 4 regular size. But you know, I made large. And another thing that you want to do to be conservative is to make your own ice cubes. Okay, now if you pour your, you know, like when you go out, how your iced tea is always much tastier than when you make it at home? That is because they fresh brew the tea and then they pour it over the ice. Okay, so each one of these sloppy joes would be about 50 or 60 cents, depending on how cheap you get the turkey. The turkey burger is about, you can buy a turkey burger about $2 for 12 ounces. That's 6 ounces. I have a little bit left too. All right, now let's see. So eventually there will be, I wanted to mention at these tuna burgers, I think they come out tastier when they're very, very thin. Ricky and I made a video and it was welcome to our party. That was the cutest video I ever made in my life. Anyway, they were cooked on the barbecue. Oh, those were salmon patties. And then all these recipes are very, very inexpensive. Everything in the stockpile. And then am I going to be starving? Of course not. You know, when I was doing the alien videos, the best story was the ants carrying food underground and sharing with the Hopis. Not all the aliens are evil. Okay, so I fried the hamburger with onion and I seasoned it. And then I just added all these ingredients and I cooked this stuff for maybe about 15-20 minutes so you can have, one good thing is once your kids get a little bigger, they can make this meal. That's a goal, you know, to teach them how to fend for themselves. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.